Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable browser push notifications for project tools, full guide step by step clearly. To disable browser push notifications for project tools, start by opening your web browser. Locate the settings or options menu in your browser. For Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the privacy and security section. Click on Site Settings. Find and select Notifications. Here, you will see a list of websites allowed to send notifications. Locate the project tool you want to disable notifications for. Click on the three vertical dots next to the site name. Choose Remove to stop notifications from that site. If you want to completely disable notifications from all sites, toggle off the switch at the top that says Sites can ask to send notifications. For Mozilla Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines, select Settings from the menu. Go to Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Permissions section. Next to Notifications, click on the Settings button. In the pop-up window, find the project tool in the list. Select it and click Remove Website. To ensure no sites can ask for notifications, check the box that says Block New Requests asking to allow notifications. For Microsoft Edge, click on the three horizontal, select Settings from the drop-down. Navigate to Cookies and Site Permissions. Click on Notifications. Here, you can manage the list of sites allowed to send notifications. Find the project tool and click on the three dots next to it. Select Remove to disable notifications for that site. For Safari, open the browser and go to Preferences. Click on the Websites tab. In the left sidebar, select Notifications. Locate the project tool in the list of websites. Uncheck the box next to it to deny permission for notifications. To remove the site entirely, select it and click the Remove button. After making changes in any browser, close the Settings tab. Restart your browser to ensure changes take effect. You have successfully disabled push notifications for your project tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.